about to attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. You can see the condition of this roof. It is very worn out and looks like it's not going to withstand a repair, but we shall attempt a repair. Let's try to unseal this material above it. We got a tear in the shingle there. Let's see. This shingle, so we need to get this one. We got a bad tear there. Go ahead and try to start pulling these nails out. That one wanted to pull through. Prevented that. Oh man. Alright. Let's see. By unsealing this shingle here, this glue line right here is unsealed and made this shingle susceptible to wind damage. Again here, again here, again here, some there, some there. We shall continue though. Let's see. I need that nail to be pulled out. That nail popped through the mat, creating a nail larger than a hole larger than the nail head. May get susceptible to water damage. There's a leaking hazard again there. Nail popped through. Another one there. Nail popped through. Let's see, we got another nail over. It's already popped through. I ain't gonna do anything to it. It's crazy. Alright. Let's see. We got another one over here somewhere. That one popped through as well. Every nail through the shingle. Again, bad tear there. Pull this shingle out. Put our new weatherwood shingle in here. All these nails up. We'll be using a snake bar to refasten these nails so we don't have to lift the shingle up any higher than what's needed. That's a good part right here. You see that? That, no good, no good. Not supposed to happen during a repair. All right, while making this repair, we have a tear in the shingle here, a rip in the shingle here, a rip in this shingle here. All of those nails that pop through the mat of the shingle, another tear there. You can see that one. And every one of these teeth on the shingle that we manipulated to get nails out, to get this shingle out to make a repair, to put this shingle in, has become compromised to wind, every single one of them. And because of that, this repair test has failed.